Hello dears, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Firdaus Sahel. In this video with Affinity, I'm going to show you how to use the style picker tool from this toolbar. As you can see here, we have this rectangle with rounded points, and you can see the color, the stroke is available right here. The corner is 35%. And I'm going to select this object and click the style picker tool. With the style picker tool, there is different options available. You can click on unload and click to load it. You can click copy all formatting, or you can click on copy no formatting, which is none. So what you can copy: the stroke, the fill, layer opacity, layer effects, character settings, paragraph settings, and object settings. Now if I click right here, it's already loaded. Click on all, unload, click on load. So it's going to copy all the formatting which is checked here. I can click on a stroke. Let's click right here. No stroke formatting is copied. Control Z. Let's click on fill. So I'm going to check the fill, the stroke, and click right here. So this is how it works. You can use this style picker tool to copy different styles from your object. So hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial and learned. And if you have any question, please let me know in the comment box of this video. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and also subscribe to the channel. Take care and goodbye.